Do eggs have gluten? I'm hearing a lot of confusion around this. Some people say that they were taught that the egg yolks have the gluten, so they've only been eating egg white omelets. Or I've heard people had heard that pasteurized eggs don't have gluten, but unpasteurized do. So they're looking for pasteurized eggs in the United States. Or I also heard people looking only for eggs where the chickens eat a gluten-free diet so that the eggs don't have gluten in it. So what's the deal, Ashley? What's the truth? I'm happy to clarify in this video. I'm Ashley Oswald, a functional medicine dietitian and founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloat, diarrhea, constipation, and more. And if you want to schedule an appointment with us, you can just go to oswalddigestiveclinic.com/scheduling and set up your initial appointment. So let's get into it. Long story short, eggs do not have gluten, period. Let me explain why. So first of all, the yolks just have phospholipids, saturated fat, some other nutrients, but not gluten. So really, it's no different if you're eating the yolk or the white. If the chicken is eating gluten grains, its body and digestion breaks down that gluten into the resulting amino acids that are then found in the egg. So no, you do not have that gluten structure in the eggs. Pasteurization does not matter at all. In the United States, most eggs are not pasteurized, which is why it's recommended to not eat raw eggs. But if you want to be more cautious, maybe you have a poor immune system, you're going through chemotherapy, you can find pasteurized eggs in the United States. So again, no gluten in eggs, period. Now, another question I often have about eggs is regarding the omega-3s. Ash, I'm looking at these cartons. Some of them say high omega-3s, some of them don't. Why is that? What are the farmers actually doing? So what's going on is that the farmers are feeding the chicken flaxseed, and yes, that can result in a higher amount of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats in the egg, which is a great thing because most people are low in omega-3 fats. And if you have too much of a ratio of or too high a ratio of omega-6s to omega-3s, that, per the research, shows a more inflammatory state. So you want to get those omega-3s up, which is why it's recommended to eat, fresh, clean, well-sourced fish to get those up, and eggs with the chickens eating flax, so high omega-3s, is another beneficial way to do this. And it's probably better for the chicken's health as well to be getting some of those flax seeds in. So gluten is just found in wheat, rye, barley, and oats because of cross-contamination. You can find and buy gluten-free oats. What often happens is that people go on a gluten-free eating plan or diets because they want to feel better. Their gut's wonky and they just want to feel better. They do it, they feel better. So then they continue avoiding gluten, which is fine. But I also want to share that it might be because of how much you've decreased fructans in your eating that you're feeling better. So if your gas and bloat, diarrhea, constipation got a lot better, it might be the fructans. It might not actually be the gluten, which means you might tolerate just regular oats that have a little bit of cross-contamination of gluten. And it's really certainly a bigger conversation than this. But A, if you think this is going on with you, or B, if you've avoided gluten but you're still having gut issues, I would really encourage you to book an appointment at our clinic, oswalddigestiveclinic.com. We do accept some health insurances now, so many of our clients get full coverage, which is awesome. So you can schedule that on the website. We also have a free guide, 5 ways to improve gut health and end food intolerances for good, which I will link below as well. All right, you all, Happy New Year. I hope you're well, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.